idiot. A little pain that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a good deal for those who don't know and want to know. If you're new to the channel and you see that video reach right there, so why not subscribe? Just tell we'll give them a good time. We'll give them a good time. We'll give them a good time. You subscribe? Tax. Turn on the bell, like, and comment. I'm going to say really you come. You know, I'm going to say there. But if you're a returning subscriber, just want to make up a nice clean self. I want to not read one, but just comment so I can get a like, shout out and da 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 da. But anyways, with me today, my sister, and yes, as you can see by the title, we'll be doing a story time as when we met into an accident. And if you want to see the rest of the video, just continue watch. Show them with the intro there. Sit here. You see the intro? Sit here.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well. We different, that's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright. When we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
So I had my 6-hour orientation, right? You know, not necessarily not adult, because them take away as adult for me going at grade level. But me say, you can't come with me because auntie don't want to come and I wanted someone to accompany me. Anyways, now she come with me. She had to stand up at the back. I got her seat. She was not sitting. So she was like, you know, I need to go. Anyways, we did there everything. Them done talk to me. Walk. We're reaching a Spanish town now. They didn't know we're going to take one tag or we're going to take a bus because we need a bus to go to X location. We're going to take the bus now. She said she don't want to take the bus where I got W. So I'm like, but W is close to my ex. W is close to my ex. But she's like, but if I take a W and then you go to your ex, I have to go all the way up to B. And I'm like, but it's me come and you're the big one. Just be real, man. Sis, just take care of me and come with me. Just take me to my ex and you can go ahead and take her whatever and go to your B. So she's like, she's hesitant, and I'm like, I need to go because I have a church service and it's going to be epic and I'm the secretary. I have to be there. I have to be there on time and punctuality.
She was in a rush.
So I was in a rush and all of that.
Is make ways.
Nevertheless, she's like, alright, so X bus come. Going the X bus now. X bus was old. X bus was popping down. It was like it was old. Anyways, we take X bus now. We're in the bear in mind I'm drinking a smoothie, so you know I have the vibe. And we're in X bus was empty.
And we weren't even sitting at the same place, so
We were still at the same place.
you were?
Yes, you were the winner now.
No, I was at the
And I'm the winner.
Yes. I was the one.
So bear in mind, X bus is a coaster.
Right.
So you have the driver. You have couple seats, double seat. I'm going to put a picture
We were
of a
sitting
coaster
in the
right
middle,
here.
in the middle row on
Not the middle where you walk
side.
with, but on the two-way sides. And I was to the window. She is to the walkway. There's a doctor. There's two persons at the back.
Let's just say we were heading downtown way, and I think the driver was about to let off somebody near Ray Nephew. Ray Nephew.
Get one more location.
But it's not gonna find you.
Anyways, so we're going towards 3 Mile side there. So we're coming from Spain. I'm going towards 3 Mile side there, and there's this student. I don't need to say the school. I'm not disclosing too much information.
I don't know.
Anyways, she don't even remember the story. But anyways, there was two little, youths, and they were coming off at a bus stop. This bus stop is close to a factory, Reneville. Right? They're there, man, one business. I don't even know what we were talking about, but all me know is me can't wait for each of my events.
We were talking to Auntie Tucci.
Never let talk to no auntie.
We talked to her
we never
and
done.
right after, remember?
Brit, can you just
Okay.
She just there for more support. I Brenda there. She don't remember nothing. Anyway, so
Then we did talk to Tucci. After we don't talk to her and don't over Canela, the move coming.
oh yes, I think we were talking to either my cousin Canela or we did talk to my auntie. Come off of the phone now and the transportation, the coaster stop at the bus stop. Let's tell the person that we're not even look, we're not noticing nothing. We just hear boof.
Yeah, it was trying to drive off.
We're about to drive off and we just hear boof, and I'm telling you, my head wants to like this.
Yeah, a water truck hit in the back.
It was like a what? It was a water truck.
It's a small one.
It's some sort of truck. If you don't know what a water truck, I'll be inserting these pictures up here. Anyways, some farmer truck looking at the back, and remember I said 2 persons was at the back, like 2 persons were there, you know.
Everybody flying out.
And the man fly come on the front. Oh God. The man fly come on the front. Fly. Superman fly got the front. And everything just happened so fast. I can't tell you, say I sit down and next to me look, she's standing.
Right
my neck fling back and forth. I'm like this. I'm like this. She reached to the front. This big fat woman bother she, cause she don't go through the windshield head on, like head on through the windshield.
So true.
But anyways, now there's a lady in the woman say, my neck.
Yeah, the guy was.
It was dramatic to me,
The guy
but I was.
belly.
Yeah, the man fell on the cushion area beside the driver, and he was like, and he's crying for his belly, and the lady's like, oh my neck, and everybody just made the sound for me because my neck hurt me too, but I couldn't even talk, I couldn't even process. She make her way come to me, and I'm like, oh, remember watch that horror movie there, and them normal show there, them lick or meet in an accident, it like a boom, take a blow up. So I'm like, I am going to get out. I didn't even call her, but just come out left for her.
Who are you?
But just come out and I'm like, okay, I need to go. She in the bus, everybody in the bus, and I'm like, why nobody not get out? So we just come out, and I'm looking, and we're in a far. The 2 persons in the pan come like, the 2 look at you, they come like, they say, come like, we make that crash at they let way off, they meet in the accident, but thank God we don't meet. So I'm like, whoa, but they really pray this morning. I'm like, I didn't even pray this morning. This and that and that and that. She in the bus, I look outside, I'm like, why you don't come off the bus yet? Come before we take our next bus. We never did that evil think. We not evil with that think and so weird, but we just come off the bus. And I'm like, we need to go home. I just want to go and write this and birth, write this and hurt me. She will fear it, you know. She will fear it, but she not have. She look under the truck like, you know them people that come past sites, the crime scene people, them and look on the dead body and look around and say, yes, so I'm Market X. Me don't know what she do. She done full investigation. But me, I wanted to go home. Anyways, now, we hop on the next bus. We don't left the scene, you know. Bear in mind, we gonna leave the scene now, you know. Me up on the bus, because me to the bus now, we say, come, I'm in our cuts. I will look, I will see the wall at the back of the coaster mash off. I'm telling you, the wall at the back come out. You know the 2 persons over there at the back get it full on. Anyways, now we gonna let them look like the police are zoom gone. We act like we never part of one whole accident scene. We never get injured or nothing never. We just gone about our business, gone our yard.
We were.
But no one got attacked when I come. Yes, I so I act like we not attack with the comments right now, but this is just our experience. We learned from our mistakes, but we're just telling you how it right? Right. Anyways, now I'm like, I call my auntie. Auntie, we just meeting our accident.
She thought it was a prank.
And she was like, you were meeting an accident? I said, yeah. So where you there? Where you there? We just go on our next bus. You go on our next bus? Hold on. Let's step back. Like, I'm gonna give you some time to just sit back and relax now and let me play back. Auntie, we're just meeting our accident. You're meeting our accident? Yeah. So where you there now? We go on our next. I went on our next bus. So she's like, you meet an accident and you go up on the next bus? So me I say, yeah, we go up on the next bus. And she said, you can't prank me. So Me in a crucial pain. My neck feel like it come off my body and just come back on. Like elastic. And then I did not physically hit anywhere. But there was this swelling behind my ear. And the pain took from right here. Come straight here. It segregates right here. Coming off it here. And then the spinal cord in my back. Feel like I get the man will liquid for borrow it and just run over it. I'm just walk with pieces. I was in so much pain, my ball, and people must say, "Oh, you didn't have the accident?" Yeah, even if I know the man talking all of that. I'm like, I just need to go home. My auntie the day I laugh, she said, "What did I know?" I said, "Only can't for me, haha," and me ate it. Me eating a pain and people laugh. And the thing is, I would do the very same. And the next thing is my prank too much. So that's why I'm not even good at pranks anymore, because they always say, "Who cry wolf?" Some another. I remember I go, but yeah.
You get left.
Because the time when I actually see the wolf and I cry the wolf, no one believe me, because every day I say, "See wolf, yeah, why wolf?" If you get the story, like every time I act like I'm in trouble, when they actually come to save me, there is no trouble. But when I'm physically there and actually going through it, no one believes me. You understand? I was like, I can't remember and everything you take for joke, auntie. Boom, give it to she attack. I don't know what happened. Nobody never meet me. Nobody never come for me. Me walking in the rain and bad. People depend on your arms. No. And me I walk up. Then I come and people them say, "No, somebody just missing our accident." And then I was like, this is so close to my house. I'm passing everybody in the rain looking like, "Ooh. Oh, Dainelle, get well soon." I love them so much, but it was so funny. So, give us me. But then I look on them, and she back at me. Dainelle, we coming up. We coming up. And bear in mind, it's the rain. So just picture Chris Brown in the rain and sing and a dance and so that's us in the rain, but we're crying, in crucial pain, walking with the worst face ever. Like you couldn't even talk to me that day. I was in so much pain. If you talk to me, I said foolishness, but this you, no disrespect, but it's true. So we're there now, coming to the house. Me about my auntie had to laugh. I just turn my back here. I just turn my back here, coming in her foolishness. She's having a full-blown laughter. She got on her knees. I don't know if she was praying, but I know the pain was so much. She had a braids and she had to lift it over, and she's be like, yes sir, me about me saying, well, we never listen to you. We shouldn't say transportation. I mean, I'm balling her, and she laugh. And the thing is, we meet in an accident and gone off for the people them seeing. And gonna take matters in our own, and the pain was so, listen, it was so bad. She ended up going home. She didn't stay the night. But I'm telling you, that night I cried so hard. And you know my auntie said to my people, watch her! She run here so bad like idiot. A little pain that. Oh my god! I'm gonna try to run. My mom, she went to wicked woman, yeah. She wicked. She don't understand people being my auntie at the toughest until she feel the pain. I'm telling you, I was in so. Listen to me. This is how I'm sleeping with the pillow them. You know, like those people that have the thing. The brace around them neck. That's how I had to sleep, because I had to elevate it. And then I had this friend that met in the accident this summer, and it was September the 6th. I remember the period. It was September the 6th, and she was like, you know, I got whiplash, and I was like, okay, this is then. I'm always a ton pharmacist, I'm always a ton doctor, I'm always you know, prescribe everything, because me feel the pain them, I go up on Google. Even though Google will tell you say you're dead, and you're not even dying. But yeah, she was like, oh, this is definitely whiplash, and me I take it in here, me have whiplash. Me really have whiplash, because she will have whiplash, we really have whiplash, and we're like, oh god, we really have whiplash. And the thing is, she about for her me to say, I just can't do this. The pain is so, like, me don't wish that for my deepest, my worst enemy them. With a ball for them, the way how it acts, it is so painful. And then the pain is not even one place. I remember my telling you, it's a jerk, you know. You don't even get no physical hit, you know. But the jerk, you know, the sudden jerk trigger of the whole apparatus as
It
well.
was the speed that they were both going at.
And then with head, and then my back. Yo, it was too much.
Our backs aren't good, guys.
Yeah, I know we still do Philippine. It's 2 years now.
Which 2 years?
2019.
True.
Yeah, 2019 September the 6th. Wow. 2 year that? No, last year make 1 year. No, September come would have been 2 years. So it's 1 year and couple months. But trust me, even this day, yesterday I felt the whiplash in my head. You still feel the pain. The pain don't stop. It come. You do have pills and medication for it,
right,
but it don't necessarily. If you don't have it, it don't necessarily. You just have to just tough it out. But sometimes it's really painful. You have to really sit down and say, no, sir. If me just didn't listen that day, if me just never, you know, you kind of somewhat I gonna regret it. But at the end of the day, it was a lesson well learned. If me never move on, don't haste things. Be humble, you know, just take things slow. Cause I'm like, I need to go. I don't even want to take the long way around, you know. But then again, things right in my book long time say that they got that really teach me well about the procedure, and if for future reference that don't bother run off of the scene like you're a madman, cause you do get left if some type of last work to have a file and all that. You get left, you know, it takes longer. But yeah. Not to go too far, that same night, my church people offered to take us to the doctor because no one was taking us serious really until they actually see the physical, you know, son. We went the next day. I got an injection in my butt. Yeah, it was painful. Just this.
I think the reason why I didn't get one is because I have a high tolerance of pain. So it's like we didn't have pain. But it's because I wasn't crying as if, you know, but...
My bad, people, my bad. With my word, can't do this. I swear. You know,
you say, why am I what were you?
Anyways, yeah, but it was a lot and I didn't get to go to school with the same speed. You know, it took a little time. But I got a doctor. And then it was a whole process because you have to take charges. They mash me up, me young girl, and I have headache. I don't have normal headache anymore, period. I don't have normal headache and Panadol cannot work. It only works sometimes. But I hardly have normal headaches. It's always whiplash pains. Yeah, the pain don't stop. It decrease sometimes and it increase like it will attack you. Like you just did this and your back feel like it'll walk off for you. Walk off, like literally full on, get up, gosh up, go tour, come back. Swear.
Right.
But it's painful and I don't wish it on anybody. And it was stupid of us to leave, but we learned to listen. Yeah. And then every time, like for example, when to report it, you must say, so where you going? I'm just like, just want that one. You give me the money. Maybe you get the money, man. Yeah, they make a mockery, but it was. Yo, we didn't act like we are grown-ups, and the thing is, we didn't even take actions until the next following year.
It was a year? It was a year after? It wasn't a year after?
Yeah, it was like in the January. But yeah, it took long, so next time, for just future reference, if that ever happens, you have to stay. You know, I try to assist it as soon as possible.
Yeah, don't brush things off. The thing is, if you're meeting any
it's a very serious situation.
Don't brush it off because later on in life, it's going to hurt a lot more. You're gonna have to pay. So you probably say you have a headache and think say migraine, you go doctor and they're prescribing.
I don't. Don't think because they don't see the physical damage. You don't go check to, oh, I'm not tough, I'm a tough boy. Brush it off, and then you have some internal thing going on, and that's crazy.
Right.
You know? But yeah, this video is the first story time that's not long. But anyways, that was our experience. If you want more story time, let us know. And again, do not leave the scene if you're missing an accident. And
no
try
matter
to
what it is and out,
even if your bumper just link up, take your pictures, try to get enough information.
Right.
But yeah, anyways, thanks for tuning in to this video. If you made it thus far and you still haven't subscribed, that is it. Stop acting like on a fake. Come on the real out there. Just subscribe, turn on the bell, turn on it so awesome. You can get any notification when they know. Drop a keep it real they know video. Period. And for those who have been supported, shout out to you. Go and make up on the next screen. Step on to dead. Bye.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with your friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.